Hey guys, Randy with Horizon Trailers here. Today we'll be looking at the CFT container full tilt trailer. This trailer has two 10K duals, a 20,000 pound hoist, and our nice neck boss design gooseneck, making it a perfect trailer for hauling containers or even other heavy machinery and cargo. This trailer comes in either pintle hitch or gooseneck with length option of either 24 foot or 40 foot and has a bridged 12-inch I-beam mainframe. It has a deck height of 38 inches and a deck width of 102 inches. Follow me as I go through all the features it has to offer. If you find value in this video, please give a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel to stay up to date of future videos. Starting at the front, it features a 2.5/16 gooseneck adjustable coupler rated at 30,000 pounds, 3 8-grade 70 safety chains, a breakaway kit, and a 7-way RV all-weather wiring harness. For the jacks, it has two spring-loaded drop leg jacks rated at 12,000 pounds each, upgradable to this 2-speed jack like this one has. And between the tongue, you will find the mega lockable toolbox, which gives you a lot of space to store all your tools, equipment, or whatever you need on the job. Up here, it comes standard with a spare tire. The tongue is our nice neck boss design built from a 12-inch engineered high-tensile steel I-beam, making it not only nice looking, but also durable. Behind the neck, you will find the standard winch plate with the optional winch. Moving on to the mainframe, it's built to be heavy-duty, made of a bridged 12-inch I-beam weighing in at 19 pounds per foot. For the hoist, it has a 6x30-inch cylinder with a 20,000 pound hoist, giving you the lifting power you need to load or unload cargo. For the tilt deck frame, it has a 10-inch I-beam with a 2x6-inch 7-gauge tubing for the outer deck and 3-inch channel cross member spaced 16 inches apart and pine lumber flooring for the deck. Plus, on this 40-foot model, it has a 4.5-inch torque tube, giving it better stability. Down here, it has a toolbox which houses the two batteries, battery charger, and the hydraulic pump, and this wired remote upgradable to the wireless remote. On the side of this tilt deck, it has these slide-out steps for easy access to the deck, this 3/16 steel side runner, and a heavy-duty removable side guide, keeping the container centered when loading and unloading. On top of the deck, it comes with an optional winch. This trailer has the 20,000 pound Winch Max winch installed with a steel cable. In the middle, it has a 6-inch channel steel cable guide. And also, for securing cargo, it has rub rail with stick ID pockets and also an optional 4, 6, or 8 D-rings that you can add, which are welded onto the deck. For the running gear, this CFT has two 10K Dexter electric brake dual oil bath spring axles with 10-ply tires on 16-inch black mod wheels. You can also upgrade these axles to the 12K or even 16K duals, and the tires are upgradable to either 14-ply or even 18-ply. At the rear of the CFT, it also has these heavy-duty side guides, which are removable, and also this knife edge, which makes it easy to load containers or also other low-pro equipment. For the lighting, it has these nice big DOT-compliant LED lights and also marker lights here at the rear and along the side for extra visibility. And like with all of our other trailers, this CFT goes through our 6-step painting process, which includes steel grip blast and a powder coat, ensuring the paint will be durable and top quality. And remember, all our trailers have a 3-year structure and a 1-year component warranty, plus NATM certification, giving you peace of mind that if you buy one of our trailers, they'll be top quality. To find a Horizon dealer near you, go on our website at horizontrailers.com/find a dealer, enter your zip code, and contact the nearest dealer. I'll catch you in the next video.